I had a client presentation and I needed a full walkthrough. 3 views that had to feel like a continuous story. But every time I generated a video from a prompt, I didn't get a real control over the camera path. Sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't. And even when it did, it ended up with separate clips I couldn't really combine, or I would need an extra editing tool to do it. 2 problems, and Veras fixed both. Now let's get into it. First and last frame lets you define exactly that. You set your starting frame, the view you want the video to open, and your ending frame, where you want it to actually arrive. The AI generates everything in between: the motion, the transition, the atmosphere as it moves through the scene. So instead of letting AI tell the story, you're actually deciding. The AI is just filling the journey between the 2 dots that you gave it. Once you're in the Veras interface, you go in Video, in the tab here, Video. You're going to see here on the right-hand side, and then there's a section called Source Indication. Here, if you're importing your own images, it's important to select Manual Upload. You then import your first image that becomes your opening frame. Our opening frame image is the one on the left-hand side, and our last frame image will be the image on the right-hand side. So it's a slight close-up on this Brasero fireplace. Simply drag and drop your image here, and then click on plus to have the last frame section appear. And we're going to do the same thing, drag and drop our image. We're going to hit render, and we're going to let Veras build the motion path between them. We're going to do 2 tests, one where I don't give it any prompt, and one where I give a more detailed prompt. Here I'm going to write, create a smooth cinematic video starting from the front of the house and transitioning to the slightly zoomed in view from the last frame. Using a slow pan movement towards the left, natural camera motion, and consistent lighting and materials. And we're going to hit generate. So there's multiple user cases of what you can do. You can do like a dramatic reveal, like a tight view on a specific detail, pull back to show like the whole facade, or just a clean camera sweep with a clear direction, which is exactly what we're doing right now. And we've got here a beautiful camera movement. For interior designers and architects, this is actually really important because clients don't want to see a room. They want to experience moving through it. And when you control that movement from start to finish, your videos feel directed and not just randomly generated. Even with first and last frame, giving you controlled clips, you still end up with multiple files. And before this update, the only way to join them together was to leave Veras, open an editing tool, and piece it together outside of the tool. Video Combine solves this inside of Veras. When you're in your video gallery at the bottom here, you can select the clips you want to combine. So let's say that we want, for example, this video clip, which is a woman arriving from the living room and sitting down on this like sofa bench. And then we're going to use this like zoomed in video as well. Simply click here on Shift. So I'm going to select this video and this video. So the order you select them is the order they're going to stitch them. So think about the sequence before you actually click. And you can see here, you just simply click on Combine. So you render in Veras and you combine in Veras. The whole video walkthrough stays in one single place. And when you pair with first and last frame, and the end result actually looks like something you've put together on purpose. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit on the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.